living, I'm not living, England is mine. And I was really, but ask me why, I'll stick your eyes on.